Bro, I just realized the whole kills 99.99% of germs thing is a coordinated scam. They want you to think 100% is impossible. It's not. You just have to outsmart the system. Think about it. Each brand of soap is a different fighter. Brand A kills its 99.99%, but there's a final 0.01% of germs that are resistant. Those are the final bosses. But those final bosses are only resistant to brand A. They never trained for brand B. The solution is obvious. You combine them. You get 3 or 4 different brands and mix them in one bottle. You have created a super sanitizer. The germs that survive the first wave get wiped out by the second. It's a chemical ambush. Did I just solve disease? Or am I about to create a super germ that becomes sentient? Subscribe, or I'm sending that final 0.01% of germs to find you.